हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, आज मैं दुबे ट्यूटोरियल के अंदर ये मैथ्स का कंपाउंड इंटरेस्ट यूजिंग फॉर्मूला लेके आया हूँ। विदाउट यूजिंग फॉर्मूला हमने पढ़ लिया है, अब विद फॉर्मूला हम इसकी स्टडी करेंगे। तो कंपाउंड इंटरेस्ट का जो फॉर्मूला है, अमाउंट का जो फॉर्मूला है वो होता है अमाउंट इज इक्वल टू प्रिंसिपल 1 प्लस आर अपॉन 100 टू द पावर n, where r is rate of interest per annum, n is time in years। तो ये फॉर्मूला है। अगर हमें CI कैलकुलेट करना है कंपाउंड इंटरेस्ट, तो हम सिंपल इसमें से प्रिंसिपल माइनस कर देंगे। तो हम कह सकते हैं इसका फॉर्मूला होगा 1 प्लस आर अपॉन 100 टू द पावर n माइनस 1। ये CI का फॉर्मूला, हमने P कॉमन ले लिया, a माइनस P कर दिया, और सिंपली वी कैन से दैट इज a माइनस P। CI का ये फॉर्मूला। कभी कभी ऐसा होता है कि क्वेश्चन में दिया रहता है कि रेट जो है वो हर साल बदल रहा है, सक्सेसिव ईयर्स में रेट जो है वो फर्स्ट ईयर में R1 है, सेकेंड ईयर में R2 है और थर्ड ईयर में R3% पर एनम है। तो उस केस में अगर हमको अमाउंट कैलकुलेट करना है तो अमाउंट होगा P 1 प्लस R1 अपॉन 100 फॉर फर्स्ट ईयर and this whole will work as P for second year. So amount after second year will be R2 upon 100 and this whole will work as principal for third year. So 1 plus R3 upon 100 and so on. तो ये फॉर्मूला भी हम सक्सेसिव ईयर्स के लिए कर सकते हैं। तो कंपाउंड इंटरेस्ट पे एक प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व करते हैं। इसमें अमाउंट गिवन है दैट इज 3630, टाइम इज 2 ईयर, रेट इज 10% पर एनम। हमें प्रिंसिपल कैलकुलेट करना है। फॉर्मूला आप सबको पता है, a is equal to P1 plus R upon 100 to the power t। प्रिंसिपल इज अमाउंट इज 3630, प्रिंसिपल 1 plus 10 upon 100 to the power 2। 0 0 will be cancelled out। P can be written as 3630 into 10 into 10 upon 11 into 11। If we divide this will become 330, and again if we do, this will become 30। the amount is rupees 3000। so like this we can solve। we'll do one more problem। in this, principal is rupees 2000, amount is rupees 2,662,662, rate is 10% per annum। we have to find out time। use this formula। so this will be 2662 is equal to 2000 1 plus 10 upon 100 to the power t। this will be cancelled out। it can be written as 2662 upon 2000 is equal to 11 upon 10 to the power t। if we cut it by 2, this will become 1000 and this will become 133, when we know that 1000 is 10 to the power 3 and 1331 is 11 to the power 3। so we can write 11 by 10 to the power t is equal to 11 upon 10 to the power 3। so we can compare powers। so we get time is equal to 3 years। कंपाउंड इंटरेस्ट में कभी कभी हमको इस टाइप की भी प्रॉब्लम मिलती है कि अमाउंट इन 1 ईयर द अमाउंट इज 6600 ऑन अ सर्टेन सम, एंड इन 3 इयर्स दिस इज 7, वी कैन राइट A3 7986। इन 3 इयर्स रेट इज वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट एंड प्रिंसिपल वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट। सो वी कैन राइट दैट 6600 इज इक्वल टू प्रिंसिपल 1 प्लस R upon 100 to the power 1। so no need to write 1। and second equation is 7986 is equal to P 1 plus R upon 100 to the power 3। now this is our equation 1 and this one is 2। if we divide equation 2 by 1, this will become 7986 upon 6600 is equal to 1 plus R upon 100 to the power 2, because 3 minus 1 is 2 and P will be cancelled out। so now 7986 and 6600, if we divide this by 11, then if we divide this by 2, this will become 3300 and this will become 3993. Okay. Again, if we divide this by 3, this will become 1100 and this will become 1331. So 1 plus r upon 100 to the power 2 can be written as, if we divide this again, 1331 and 1100 by 11, this will become 100 and this will become 121. And we know that 121 upon 100 can be written as 11 upon 10 to the power 2. Now we can compare these two. Now from here it can be written as 1 plus 1 upon 10 upon 100 to the power 2. Now if we compare this and this, we clearly find R is equal to 10% per annum. Okay. So from here we got rate of interest is 10% per annum. If we want to find principal, we use first equation, that is 6600 is equal to principal 1 plus 10 upon 100. So this will be cancelled out. Principal is equal to 6600 into 10 upon 11. Now this is 600, so this is rupees 6000. So like this we can solve any problem. कंपाउंड इंटरेस्ट में कभी कभी रेट जो है वो कंपाउंडेड हाफ ईयरली या कंपाउंडेड क्वार्टरली होता है. उस केस में हम फॉर्मूले में थोड़ा सा चेंज कर देंगे. जहां पे हाफ ईयरली है, हाफ ईयरली मींस 2 conversion period. In that case, rate will be divided by 2 and time will be multiplied by 2. In case of quarterly, rate will be divided by 4 and time will be multiplied by 4. कभी कभी इस तरीके की भी प्रॉब्लम आपके सामने आ सकती है कि प्रिंसिपल इज 10,000, टाइम इज 2.5 ईयर एंड रेट इज 10% पर एनम. तो ये पर एनम के हिसाब से, जबकि टाइम जो है वो 2.5 ईयर दे रखा है, उसके बाद आपको अमाउंट कैलकुलेट करना है. तो वहां पे हम ये फॉर्मूला यूज करेंगे, प्रिंसिपल 1 प्लस r upon 100 to the power 2, because it is 2.5. So here we will write 2 and here we will write r upon 100, 2 into r upon 100. So this formula we will use and time will be multiplied by 2. So this is, now the time is half, because 2 we have considered already, half is remaining. So 2 will be multiplied by 1 by 2. So this 2 and this 2 will be cancelled out. Now we write the values. It is 10,000, 1 plus 10 upon 100 to the power 2, 1 plus 10 upon 200. Now this 0, 0, 0, 0 will be cancelled out. We can write 10,000 into, now this will become 11. So 11 into 11 upon 10 into 10 into, here it will become 20 plus 1, that is 21 upon 20. So 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0 will be cancelled out. If we multiply this, we will get the value is 12,705. So this is our amount. इस तरीके के क्वेश्चन आपके सामने आए तो हम ये फॉर्मूला यूज करते हैं. जैसे अगर कंपाउंडेड ईयरली है और कंपाउंडेड हाफ ईयरली, इसमें क्या डिफरेंस रहेगा. अगर टाइम जो है वो 1 ईयर है तो उस केस में अमाउंट इज इक्वल टू प्रिंसिपल 1 प्लस r upon 100 पावर 1, बिकॉज टाइम इज 1 ईयर. Here we will do amount is principal in bracket 1 plus r upon 200, because rate will be divided by 2 in case of half yearly and time will be multiplied by 2. So 1 into 2. In case of 1.5 year, first we will calculate the amount after 1 year and then we will multiply it by the half year. So principal 1 plus r upon 100, and for half year this will be 1 plus r upon 2 into 100 to the power half into 2. Half into 2 is 1. Here in case of half yearly, the difference is P is 1 plus r upon 2 into 100 to the power 3 by 2 into 2. Like we know the case of n is equal to 2 years, we will now see the case of 2.5 years. Amount will be principal 1 plus r upon 100 to the power 2 for initial 2 years, and for rest half year we will use this term. And in case of half yearly, this is simply 1 plus r upon 2 into 100, 5 by 2 into 2. So like this, using this formula, we can find amount yearly और हाफ ईयरली. एक और प्रॉब्लम हमारे सामने है जिसमें प्रिंसिपल जो है वो 6400 है, कंपाउंड इंटरेस्ट is 1008.80 and time is 18 months. Now we can calculate amount because principal plus CI is amount. So 6400 plus 1008.80 will become 804 and 7.80. So this is our amount. Now if we solve using this formula, that is, now in this case the interest is compounded half yearly, we have to find the rate percent and it is compounded half yearly. So principal 1 plus r upon 2 into 100 and here 2 into t. So we can write amount is 7408.80 and principal is 6400. 1 plus rate percentage we have to find out, and 2 into 100 to the power 2, and 18 months can be converted into years. So 18 months can be converted, so it will be 3 by 2 because 12 months means 1 year, 18 months means 3 by 2 years. So we can cancel out this. If we solve this, this will become 1 plus r upon 200 to the power 3 is equal to 7408.80 upon 6400. If we solve this, this will become 21 upon 20 to the power 3. Now rate percent, if we compare these two, 1 plus r upon 200 to the power 3 and 21 upon 20, we will find that value of r is 10%, because if we write 10 here, it will become 1 upon 20 and then again it will become 21 upon 20. So this is rate percent is 10%. कंपाउंड इंटरेस्ट से कई और प्रॉब्लम भी सॉल्व हो जाती है, जैसे इंडस्ट्री ग्रोथ की या फिर पॉपुलेशन ग्रोथ, in case of rapid growth, growth of plants on a certain area. So we can use this formula, the CI formula, like we have done earlier. In case of depreciation, the value of machine always reduces after a certain year, certain time. So in this case, value after n year will be present value in bracket 1 minus r upon 100 to the power n. Now we want to solve one numerical one problem where r is 20% per annum, initial value is 2,50,000, final value when the machine was sold was 1,28,000. We have to find out the time. Now use this formula. Value after n year is this. Initial value is 2,50,000. In bracket we will write 1 minus 20 upon 100 to the power t. Now 0, 0, 0 cancelled out. We can write 128 upon 250 is equal to 80 upon 100 to the power t. So from here we can solve. This will be 64 and this will become 125 will be cut it by 2. Here we can write 4 upon 5. So 64 upon 125 is 4 by 5 to the power t. Now 64 is 4 cube and 125 is 5 cube. So we can write 4 by 5 to the power 3. So time is 3 years. So like this we can solve depreciation problem also. तो आज हमने कंपाउंड इंटरेस्ट यूजिंग फॉर्मूला आज सीखा. आपको कोई प्रॉब्लम हो तो आप प्लीज़ मेरे को बताइए किसी भी मीडियम से, मेरे को मेल करिए, मुझे मेल करिए. और मेरा वीडियो आपको कैसा लगा ये ज़रूर बताइए, कमेंट लिखिए, इसको लाइक करिए, शेयर करिए और कमेंट लिखिए और मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करिए. थैंक यू.